So to find the total surface area, we need to first find the surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So the radius of the cylinder is 7. So that's going to give us 2 pi times 49. So 49 times 2 pi. Let's just write it out in terms of pi first. We get 98 pi plus 2 pi rh. That's going to be 2 pi times 7, and then 13 is the height of the cylinder. So we get 98 pi plus, let's do 2 times 7 times 13, which is 182 pi. So we add those together, 182 plus 98, we get 280 pi for the cylinder. Now we've got this square hole, so it goes through the bottom and the top. So we're going to subtract, let's subtract those squares, and they're 4 by 4. So each square is going to be 16. There's 2 of them. So that's 32. We're going to subtract 32. And then really when we make this hole, we're adding 4 rectangles. 4 rectangles inside. So think of like if we had to paint the entire surface, we'd have to paint, we'd have this rectangle in here, and then a rectangle on this side, and then a rectangle on the front and back. That would still have some surface area to it. And those rectangles are 4 by 13, so that's 52. So each rectangle is 4 by 13, and there's 4 of them. So 52 times 4 is 208. So we need to add that back on. So that's going to give us the total surface area. So now let's calculate. 280 pi is 879.6459. And then I'm just going to keep that number in my calculator and subtract 32. And I get about 847.6459. And then I'm going to just keep that number and add 208. And I get 1055.6. Okay, and the next digit was a 4, so I can round. That would be to the nearest tenth.